Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video I'm going to show you how to turn the Mecha Loop Lighting on to party mode on the Infinix GT20 Pro. Essentially what you want to have is that lighting at the back of your smartphone on all the time. They call it party mode, it's a fun party trick, but you may have other reasons for doing it. That's entirely up to you. So what we're going to do is turn the phone around, unlock it, and from your home screen just pull down that notification menu or the quick settings menu and tap on the little cog at the top. This will take you into the settings menu. Now from the settings you can scroll down until there's Mecha Loop Lighting. Tap on that and you'll see that there's the settings for having Mecha Loop Lighting on, the light effect duration, so when you have that on, but further down there's a toggle called party mode, and this will switch your Mecha Loop Lighting on all the time and cycle through the different effects that there are for the Mecha Loop Lighting. This is really quite cool in my view. I really think this is a value add to an already great value smartphone. So there you go. Nice little how-to video on how to get party mode on the Infinix GT20 Pro. If on the other hand you want to switch party mode off, you have a handy little notification in the notification section. So if you swipe on the left hand side of the screen down, you'll see that it has party mode. You can switch off party mode really easily by just pressing the exit button on the side there, and it does that from the notification bar. But say you have the Mecha Loop Lighting party mode on and you want to go the long way to switch that cool effect off, you will need to go back to your settings, scroll down to Mecha Loop Lighting, tap on that, and then party mode, switch that off. That's the long way of doing it. So this was a quick tutorial on how to switch Mecha Loop Lighting into party mode. If you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. If you haven't already, please do go and check out our other videos about the Infinix GT20 Pro. They are at the moment some of the most popular on our YouTube channel. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.